Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this beast over here. This 41-inch tall Dyson fan and air purifier. This thing is just massive, and not only it's massive, but it's also really powerful. This one is gonna be a two-in-one. And when I'm saying two-in-one, I'm gonna just show you something here. Let me see if I can do this one-handed because it's not easy as it seems, but it's not super complicated. This one right here, you're gonna find the filters, the HEPA filters that are gonna be inside of the actual base of the fan, which by the way has a really nice golden accent. So this one, it can be a really nice decoration as well. But with that being said, and with this one, it's clicked already. Yeah, it clicked. Super easy. That's it. You're gonna find one filter here and one filter here. And why do you have filters in a fan? This one, again, is going to be a two-in-one air purifier and fan. And it comes with not only with a remote controller, which is super convenient to have in case that you want to use your phone. And I'm saying your phone because it comes with an app. And with the app, you can manage the power, you can manage the cool section and also the fan section. You can manage the oscillating that can oscillate up to 350 degrees, so almost 360, just a tiny little bit before 360. So it can circulate the whole area, which by the way, it has a cover of about 150 square feet, depending what you put it in, depending the mode. But this one, since it has the HEPA filters, will be able to capture those particles that makes the air to be polluted. So in that case, if you put in this one, for example, in your bedroom or your nursery or your kids' room or your living room or something like that, it will help with the quality of the air. Let me show you something. Okay, when I'm saying that that thing is massive, check out how big it is. That is my desk over there. That's a 41-inch tall. And this one, we can turn it on once that we put it with the app. We can turn it on with the actual app if you want. Same thing with the remote controller. It's going to tell you the quality of the filters. It's also going to tell you the quality of the air. As you can see over here, those numbers going to keep changing when it's ready to measure the quality of the air. The best thing about this one is to put it in auto. That's my recommendation, at least at first, to put it in auto mode. And if you're going to put it in your bedroom, even better. And at night, you can set it on an oscillator, and you can also set it in the kind of like sleep mode, and it's gonna turn off the lights, and it's gonna also kind of like get in super quiet mode. But this is how it looks in the app. Let's actually check it out on a closer look. By the way, totally 100% bladeless, and the air is coming from the edge, which by the way, you can transfer to the other side if you want, so depending where you're what it's facing actually. But I do like to have it a kind of like this is like the front side with the panel display right here and showing you what mode and showing you the air quality and everything. But again, bladeless and the filter and really nice and modern accents. But yeah, having something like this that is so tall, so big, so powerful, because it actually can get like super powerful. Right now it's in speed number 4 and it's already being like super windy. But for sleeping, this is one of the best, if not the best ones that I had, because again, having an air purifier and at the same time having a fan is gonna get you that super good air quality that you need when you're sleeping, and even better when you are, for example, working from home or just like in the kitchen or something like that. And again, having the app is also a really nice peace of mind that you can turn it off from anywhere. Just like hook it up on the Wi-Fi of your house and make sure that you have the most updated version of the app, and you will be able to, for example, put it in like this, auto mode, oscillating, and enjoying that super filter air quality and also a fantastic fan.